dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Cody Bryant.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
All right.
Well, welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. Boy, have we got a full house tonight. And I'm so happy Cody showed up at the last minute. Look, I never put Cody so, Cody's one of the best frontmen in L.A. Like, he can lead a band. I've seen him in front of symphony orchestras, like 70 pieces behind him, and he's up there leading the group and doing it. And now, look, he's standing behind my amp. What in the hell's going on there, Cody?
Life is a humbling endeavor.
It is. And Steve Travato called me this week and said, what are we doing Sunday? I said, well, we're going to do Carmine's Country Corner. So he showed up. Steve, good to see you.
Good to be here.
Haven't seen you in a while. Bob Gother, part of the family here, too. He comes up all the time. Good to see you, brother. We missed you last week.
It's been a couple weeks, yeah.
It has been, but it's okay. Whenever you show up,
Glad to be here.
we're happy to have you. John Palmer. Now, he's the only drummer in town right now that has 3 drumsticks. There it is. So I'll tell you what happened. We only do this show once a week, and so we leave everything here. You know, we take the guitars home, but pretty much the stuff's here. So we'll leave the drum set. Well, we come in today, and there's only 1 drumstick. Now, there's always 2 drumsticks. We haven't never run into that. So I said, well, so we ran out and got a couple of extra drumsticks. So we made it in time to do the show.
Times are lean here in Carmine's Country.
We are having fun. Paul,
Carmine.
you went to a game or something today
I
for
did.
Father's Day.
It's
Tell us about
Father's
that.
Day today, and my family took me to the Dodger game. What fun!
I've been there before. It is a lot
I
of
said,
fun.
you only take me to the Dodger game if I can make it back to Carmine's Country Corner on time. They said, we'll get you back on time.
Thank God it didn't go extra innings, or you wouldn't be here
That's
right
right.
now.
I was very lucky. It was a fast game.
Who won?
Dodgers won.
Well, God bless them.
3-0.
Okay. 3-0. Jeez. They shut them out.
3 solo home runs.
So, we're going to get, Kurt Freeze on piano. Kurt, how you doing? Where's Deanna this week?
She's cheating on me, and she's with another piano
With another-
player.
well, that's okay.
Yeah,
You know, I mean, that's cool. Anyway, she'll be here next week. Don't worry about it.
What did you expect?
Paul, do one more, and then I'm going to start. You know, we'll give it to Bob, we'll give it to Steve, we'll give it to Cody, we'll give it to Kurt, we'll pass it around. Thanks for watching the show, folks. We are coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Oh, this is Father's Day, as we know, and look what my daughter got me for my birthday. I mean, for Father's Day. My birthday's in a couple of weeks. Pretty good-looking shirt, huh?
It's a beautiful shirt.
Not bad. Thank you, Kim. This is lovely. Oh, very sad note. Most of you people know about this, but I just wanted to mention it while we're all here live. We all feel the same about it, pretty down about my brother Buddy passing away. And it was kind of sudden, and he didn't suffer, thank God. Whatever he got quick, and there wasn't this big, long, lingering fight for life with all the problems, you know. So on that part of it, he got lucky. And we got unlucky to lose him, though, I'll tell you, because it just feels different in the family without Buddy now, you know?
Buddy was a great guy.
He was.
And a wonderful brother, a great friend. And he came here and played all the time.
Oh, yeah. Well, he was one of the first, when we started doing the show, he was with us a lot. And then he went off and got a gig up here at a Mexican restaurant called Pepe's, kind of doing his own thing. But then he would come in on Sundays. You know, he was just here a few weeks ago and did the show with us.
It wasn't that long ago.
And then they discovered that he had this thing and a cancer thing, and it took him fast anyway. But we right up till the end, though, I saw him almost every day. He had a great attitude. I mean, he was so strong. I hope I got that kind of thing in me, if and when I got to deal with that, you know. So God bless Buddy. We love you, Marina, and all his kids. Everybody out there, say a little prayer for Buddy. He passed away on Monday, and we're going to have the funeral on the 25th at St. Andrews in Pasadena. It's a big, beautiful Catholic church. Look it up, St. Andrews. Anybody that feels like dropping in and saying a little prayer and meeting his wife and, sending him off, please, you're welcome to do that. Okay, and I might even sing one of his songs tonight. You know, he was quite a songwriter. He wrote hundreds of songs. And we cut that album that's been about 7 years ago. And he cut a really cool album. So we might do some of his stuff later on.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'll do the best I can. I think I know it. Anyway, okay, Paul.
All right, I'm going to send this one out to Buddy and in his memory and because we love him so much. Halftime, key of E. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me
heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming to, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
Good job, Paul.
Thank you.
Okay, Bob, what do you got?
Let's do Crazy Arms,
Let's do it.
like
what,
we did a sound check.
what key? What key?
E.
All right. Nothing. I'm gonna
Just
check
like
my
a sound
tuning.
check.
You guys go ahead.
Except you're singing.
151 at the top. Somebody take it.
I'm not way out of tune.
E, right? You said E?
E. Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. There's a storm brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's
Kurt.
Here comes Kurt. Oh, crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Oh, my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My trouble, my no suit to another you'll be with. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. And that's why I'm lonely all the time.
Crazy Arms, I love that song.
Way to go, man. Way to go.
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota up here at Carmine's Country Corner. How many people in the band tonight? Let me count. 1, 2, 3. I'd be 4, 5, 7. 7 people at Carmine's Country Corner. This place is getting more popular by the minute. So, listen, if you're watching us on Facebook, push the like button and the share button. That helps us out a lot. If you're watching us on YouTube, the way we do this is we record it live on Facebook, and then Dan goes home and does a little mixing thing, and then he puts it up on YouTube. Sometimes it's later Sunday night or by Monday afternoon. We're on YouTube. Push the subscribe button and the, is there another one or just that one? Kim? Just subscribe. Push that because it's growing. Our numbers on the subscribe thing, I can't even say the word, is going up. So we're doing good. So that's a good thing. So keep supporting the band and supporting the group. We're having fun doing it. Kurt, with my pick in my mouth, do another song.
With your, excuse me? No. Okay, no, we're going to do Old Man from the Mountain, key of G, 2 beat. And I'll start
It's
it.
an old song from Merle Haggard.
Yeah, Merle Haggard.
You know that song. I've heard of him. Yep.
Well, the old man from the mountain's coming home, home, home. Thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. Get rid of Joe the grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountain's coming home. Well, I've been working in a sawmill, I'm all uptight and tense. I got wind of someone's been digging under my back fence. Thought I'd better call you, let you know today that the old man from the mountain's on his way. Yeah, the old man from the mountains are coming home, home, home. Thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. Get ready, Joe the grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountain's coming, he's coming home, Bob, do it.
an old Merle Haggard song, isn't it?
There's no such thing as a new one.
Well, I know, but yeah, obviously. That's a real old one. Anyway, Steve, you want to do one?
Just because.
What do you want to do?
Just because.
Do it.
Just because 2 beat in the key of C, hard stop on the end. John will give you the cue. Let's see if we can take solos on that. Just because you think that you're so pretty. One, just vamp on C. One, two, three. Well, just because you think that you're so pretty, and just because you think that you're so hot, just because you think that you got something nobody else has got, doesn't mean to spend all my money. Life comes and goes Santa Claus. I'm telling you, baby, I'm doing you. God, maybe just because. Go ahead, Bob. Go ahead, Craig. There'll come a time when you'll be lonesome. There will come a time when you'll be blue. There'll come a time when old Santa won't pay your bills for you. Cause me spend all my money. Life comes and goes Santa Claus. I'm telling you, I'm doing you. Because, baby, just because. Go ahead, Cody. Carmine Sardo, go ahead, get it. Get after it, son. Picket fence. time when you'll be blue. There'll come a time when old Santa won't pay your bills for you. Cause me to spend all my money, life's gone broke, Santa Claus. I'm telling you, I'm through with you. Because, baby, just because. Because, baby, just because.
Beautiful.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Every once in a while, Steve and I like to face off and just, play a bunch of stuff. That was great. Good job, Steve.
Thank you, Carmine.
We're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Kim, is everything running smoothly? Oh, it's so good. I love it when it's easy. Are you guys too hot out there? What's going on? Dan's looking at me like this. What does that mean? Are you praying or what are we doing? Just fill me in. Dan says nothing's working. Anyway, I think I'll do one.
All right.
Should I do one? Yeah.
Do it.
Balloon, okay. Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me, and I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Cody, baby. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, it's blue, it's blue.
Yeah, Carmine.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank y'all. Bob Smith Toyota, Carmine's Country Corner, every Sunday from 6 to 7. Been over 4 years now, Paul. We're working on our 5th year. Telling you, man, it just keeps getting better. We're having fun. We got Dr. Teresa in the house. From time to time, she's kind of part of the family. She'll get up and do something. Roy's here with us. We call him the Frog. He's always helping us out, and he gets up and plays and sings and has a good time. And, of course, Dr. Kathy, our very close friend, and Ann, right?
With an E.
Did I get it right? And oh, okay, Annie. And then Colleen, you know.
Colleen, yeah.
Yeah, this young lady here, every week, I couldn't think of her name for months, for like 2-3 months, and I finally sunk in.
You got it now.
Oh, yeah, it's terrible. I'm awful at names. And, of course, Shayna, right?
Shayna.
Shayna,
Absolutely.
Palmer's lovely daughter. And Dan Hugot behind the camera, and hope you're doing like I asked you to on that, Dan. Anyway, Kurt Fries on piano, and of course Bob Garfield. Hey, Paul, do another one.
All right. Key of D, straight A's ballad.
You could turn up a ballad. All right, let's do it. What key?
Well, we've been up for a while. Key of D, D darn. Just like the sun over the mountain top. You know I'll always come again. You know I love to spend the morning time like sunlight dancing on your skin. I've never gone so wrong as for telling lies to you. And what you see is what I am. And there is nothing I can hide from you. You see me better than I can. Like a lighthouse, you must stand alone and mark the sailor's journey's end. No matter what seas I've been sailing on, I'll always roll your way again. Out on the road that lies before me now, there are some turns where I will spend. I only hope that you can hold me now, till I can gain control again. Out on the road that lies before me now, there are some turns where I will spend. I only hope that you can hold me now, till I can gain control again. I only hope that you can hold me now, till I can gain control again.
Good job. I love that song.
All right.
Rodney Crowell. Love that song. It's a great song. We got about 15 minutes left.
No.
We can go over. I don't care. Hey, this is kind of a little bit like a Buddy memorial, and it had this one song he did on the album I like called, oh, jeez, I can't think of the name of the song. Gonna cross us over. Forgot the name of it. You know, I got so much in my brain right now. But I was going to do it, but I don't think I'm ready, and I don't want to just totally destroy this song, so I'm going to let it go maybe till next week. Anyway, Bob, do another one for us real quick.
All righty. Let's do Ramblin' Fever.
Yeah.
All right, that'll be easy.
Oh, wait.
want to, you can-
Wait, I thought I just sung the song to myself, and I know the name of the song. That's called Pouring Rain.
All right.
That's the name of the song.
Wait, no. Ramblin' Fever in G.
I wish I could do it. I'm not going to do
Here we go.
I gotta do it. Okay.
it. Key of G?
Key of G, yeah.
Key of G, boys.
1, 2, 3. My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear that same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. I got rambling fever in my blood. I caught this rambling fever long ago when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. If anyone ever said sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna die along the highway and wide awake like some old high-line pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Steve. Get funky now. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Now I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna die on the highway right away like some old high-line pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, here we go, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Going home. Thanks, y'all.
Rambling Fever. Who else is singing? Kurt, do another one.
All right, we're going to swing it with Lone Star Beer. Swing it. Okay. Key of E, solos on the chorus.
That one since the silver bullet.
The silver bullet. Okay. Gonna swing it. E.
He and I might play on this a little, so watch me doing the solo.
Just be careful, okay? We don't want anybody to get hurt. All right. A two. A 1, 2, 3. Now my yellow rose of Texas packed up and left this morning. I don't know where she's gone, and most of all, I don't know why. I only know I've got the blues. I've never been this lonesome. It's enough to make a man lay down and die. I got Lone Star Beer and Bob Wills music. I give faded love, I feel at home. Yeah, Lone Star Beer and Bob Wills music have kept my heart alive since you've been gone. You've been gone, Bob, you know. to keep that woman off my mind. Bartender, keep that Lone Star coming as long as I've got money. Can I plan on being here till closing time? I got the Lone Star beer and Bob Wills music. When I hear Faded Love, I feel at home. Lone Star beer and Bob Wills music. They've kept my thought alive since you've been gone. Keep me alive, Steve. Play it, Kurt. Oh yeah, I'm drinking that Lone Star beer, hearing Bob Wills music. When I get Faded Love, I feel right at home. Oh, Lone Star beer and that Bob Wills music have kept my heart alive since you've been gone. Yes, they have kept my heart alive since you've been gone.
What a groove! Good job, Steve.
Yeah, Steve, good job.
Paul, take us home, I guess. Boy, that hour flew by. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call you tonight because I want to thank you again. We had put that little post up about my brother, unfortunately, who passed away this last Monday, and we got many, many, many condolences and loves and prayers and people sending their best wishes. I want to thank you all. You know who you are. We appreciate it. Buddy loved a lot of you guys knew Buddy. He played Viva Cantinas with us. He was in the Cody Bryant band for a while with us, and he's played a lot of different places, and he was just a good guy. So thanks for all your prayers, and we're going to end the show with Paul. And Paul, take us home.
Kid G. Well, I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch highway, every foot of backwood, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, Bob.
inch of that highway, every foot on back road, every mile of railroad track. Oh yeah. This worn out bass guitar I carry in an old tote sack. Pawned it about 200 times, but I always get it back. I'm a free-born man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of that highway, every foot on back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a free-born man, and my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot on back road, every mile of railroad track. Thanks for watching the show, folks. We appreciate it. We love you all. Don't forget, St. Andrew's Church, the 25th. I think it's a Tuesday at 5 o'clock. The funeral is at 10 o'clock Tuesday morning. I'm getting it confused with, I think we're doing a rosary the night before. We're all going to get together. Okay, 10 o'clock Tuesday the 25th. If you knew Buddy and if you liked him or whatever, come on down to St. Andrews and say hello. We'd love to see you down there. God bless you. All right, Paul, take it home. Well, I'm a free-born man.